Yeah, guys, I'm with Martin, the guy I was talking about. Cheers, cheers, man, cheers. I met him yesterday at the Heineken Experience. So it's another day in Amsterdam. It's actually quite bright and sunny today. Feel energetic. I feel any day when it's the last day in a city for me, I'm the most energetic and on time for everything. Because I guess you have to wake up early to check out, right? So we're gonna go to the palace here. Then the city center again, click some nice pictures, maybe click some pictures on the canal, and then leave for the airport for Valencia. All right, so starting another day here in Amsterdam before we head to Spain. I'm at the Royal Museum. It's pretty nice. It's nice to look at the city like early in the morning. Everything's already bustling. It's a Sunday morning. There's like a street show going on there. People are already super enthusiastic, even though it's just like, I wouldn't say it's early hours of the morning, but it's still a Sunday. It's around 12 here. So just gonna walk around the city, get some nice Instagram photos before we head out to Spain. So yeah, that's about it. That's the update for today. We are heading to Spain after we spend some good time in the city, look at some monuments, maybe have some good food, and then head out to Spain. See you on the other side. So we are near the red light district area, right outside the Oud Church, as they say in Dutch, or the Old Church. Just quickly gonna pan around the camera, move around with it, so that you have a good view of the church. And yeah, like haven't been in this area during the daytime, so checked it out at night to see how the red light district is. So just gonna walk around, see how it's different during the day. You're not allowed to film in that area even during the day. But that area is supposed to have a lot of nice cafes. I already see like businesses are up and running, which you don't see at night. People just sipping coffee, having lunch, breakfast. You know, just a very normal life happening here. Nothing seems like it's the red light district. Just gonna walk around. They say it's still active, like the red light district is active 24 hours a day. So won't be able to film there, but yeah, just gonna check it out. See, that's actually a better view of the church from the other side of the canal. Yeah, click some lovely pictures on the canal. That's like a must do. That's like a must have Instagram photo when you come to the Netherlands, or should I say Amsterdam specifically. So got that as well. Funny thing, the girl who clicked my picture, I actually met her at the club yesterday. So that was actually a funny, interesting interaction. Small world, eh? Just walking around, met the same people that I met yesterday at the club. I'm still around the red light district area. It's actually pretty nice during the day. I actually recommend it to come here during the daytime. It's like all bustling with so many cafes, there's tourists around the area. Good places to click nice Instagram pictures. By now you're pretty sure I'm obsessed with that. So yeah, really nice places here actually, like nice cafes, a lot of tourists, and really pretty views over the canal. So yeah, I recommend it. Check it out during the day as well as at night. Yeah, it's actually a really perfect day here in Amsterdam with the perfect weather, perfect lighting to shoot, perfect lighting to click a lot of pictures. And look at it. It's just so pretty. It's so cute, like the pastel colors. Everything's just so perfect about the city. You know, the canals, the architecture, the cafes, all of it. I love you, Amsterdam. But yeah, just to add and clarify, Prague is still the favorite one. No hard feelings, Amsterdam, but yes, it's gonna take a lot of effort to dethrone Prague, I guess. So that's the Amsterdam Central Station. And across the canal, that's the main cathedral here, the city. Just making a very quick stop at Dam Square again before we head to Spain. It's gonna do a huge, like a pan again. I know you guys have seen this place already. This is like the city center. Interestingly, like any city center, there's like political stuff happening here. You guys are gonna see it in the pan shot. But yeah, no comments on that. But yeah, after this we head to Spain. See you guys on the other side. I guess the next vlog or the next piece of this vlog would be at the airport. Or maybe I'm meeting a friend. I'll add him in if he's comfortable. See you guys. Bye-bye. So yeah, guys, I'm with Martin, the guy I was talking about. Cheers, cheers, man, cheers. I met him yesterday at the Heineken Experience. He is originally from Paraguay, living in Germany for doing his undergrad there. Nice. Yeah, just wanted to add, we even went clubbing last night. It was super crazy. It was have a good time. It was like good electronic music as well. Then we hung out throughout the night, and then we're hanging out again, having a beer before I leave for the airport to leave for Spain. Nice meeting you, man. It's been a fun time. Definitely. If you ever come to like India or Canada, you're gonna hit me up. Yeah, man. And next time we're going to South America together. Perfect. Quick update. We are boarding the flight to Valencia. Sorry, I forgot to vlog this. So just leaving Amsterdam, boarding my flight to Valencia. Super excited. Always wanted to go to Spain. So let the adventure begin. See you on the other side. Alright guys, welcome back. We are officially in Valencia by the beach. Just living right across the beach. Such a nice area. The weather's perfect. Like it's so sunny, it's so warm. I'm glad I made the decision to like extend my trip.